Hi, my name is Eric Nelson, Managing Partner of ADS Data Direct, and I'm excited to share with you, aspiring students, a website that is dedicated to transforming the way you consume educational information. I welcome you to our newest website, myeducationcompass.com. As a father and former student, I understand the many costs and challenges associated with higher education and how difficult it is to make the right choice for your future. We are here to help. That's why I designed myeducationcompass.com to help you make better decisions. Myeducationcompass.com provides you top research content that allows you to make informed decisions or simply learn more about the things in life that interest you. Our survey section will also provide you with the current best deals for whatever subject or course you want to take. By signing up for our newsletter, you'll receive the most up-to-date education-based articles and money-saving courses that you can take in person or online. What are you waiting for? Visit us at myeducationcompass.com. Oh, and let's not forget the myeducationcompass.com scholarship, where every quarter we give away $1,000 just by signing up for one of our surveys. Each survey you fill out will earn you 5 entries to win. Visit myeducationcompass.com today and start your education journey with us and get the direction that you need. You will find the savings you deserve, information that's easy to understand, no spam, and all the content you need to stay entertained while finding a more educated you. Thank you.